In July of 2022, I set out to go on an extended road trip in my 95 Honda Accord, which I converted into a mobile hotel room by removing the passenger seat and replacing it with a custom-built sleeping platform. The plan was to head to the Pacific Northwest from my home in Nashville, Tennessee, and stop at national parks and monuments along the way. I didn't start recording anything until I got to the Land Between the Lakes National Recreation Area, which is where I ended up camping on the first night. Tennessee, see you later. This is Kentucky Lake, here west of Land Between the Lakes. I'm gonna walk over this bridge right here. How's it going, everyone? I am out here at Land Between the Lakes. I'm in the state of Kentucky. I've left Tennessee, and if you want to check out the rig that I'm going in, check out the last video that I posted showing you what all I'm traveling around in. We got a bird coming in hot here. Oh, it's a crane. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just been hanging out, gonna watch the sunset here. This was just a really quick, short leg, easing into this road trip. Today was pretty cool. I saw some bison. Did you know that? Did you know there were bison in Kentucky? Tomorrow morning I'm gonna go and look at the Elk and Bison Prairie. There's like a little loop road that you can drive around. I think you have to stay in your car, but you can drive around their habitat. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Really pretty sunset right now. I was gonna shoot it on the other side, but it was too windy. So I'll try to get the drone in the air before the sun goes down. Maybe I'll put that at the end of this video. But yeah, this is gonna be it for day one. I'm camping at this campground here. I actually used to come here a lot when I was in high school and early days of college with some friends, and we'd get hammered drunk. I haven't been here in a long time, but bringing back a lot of memories. But yeah, what else? There's not really much else happened today. Pretty smooth first day. Just taking it easy. I really don't want to spend more than like 5 or 6 hours in the car per day. So yeah, man, grateful to be here. Grateful for this day. Beautiful weather today. It might rain the next couple days, but that's okay. Sometimes it rains. I don't know what the hell these things are. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's something these people are throwing down here. Dude, these are the loudest cicadas I've ever camped near. They're like giving me a headache. I don't even know, can you guys even hear me? Piercing, ear-piercing bugs. Jeez, man. Guy's trapped in the trash can. Put some in here, see if we can help him out. I just saw him hop out. I missed it, but look, he's gone. He scurried off this way. Welcome to the Elk and Bison Prairie. $5. Really pretty view. What do we got here, huh? Just a bunch of shit. Bunch of shit. Man, I gotta dodge these landmines up here. These are big piles of shit. I feel like it's, oh, I definitely hit that one. I feel like, oh man, look at that, right in there. It's definitely really pretty. I'd like to come back here in the fall. Maybe there's more bison when it's cooler, or maybe they're not like hiding in the trees. Well, here's something to know is that I guess this spot can fill up with water. They even have how high it is, 1 to 5 feet. Luckily, no water right now. Definitely a dry creek bed. Still no bison or elk. Lots of turkeys though. Man, am I missing something? Did I not get a memo about there not being any elk or bison on the Elk and Bison Prairie? I did not see one. That's hilarious. I saw some bison yesterday. I haven't seen any elk, but I'm pretty sure this loop's just about over. I didn't see one bison or elk. But I paid $5. I want my $5 back. This is really pretty. And I'm kind of stalling heading north from here because I can see it raining really hard, and I even saw some lightning, so I'm just kind of stalling. But man, not one? Oh well. You win some, you lose some.